Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 12th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well out there also. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing to my channel today or tomorrow or whenever you feel like it. I do daily contents on this forecast channel. I try to keep everybody ahead of the storm and also keep everybody up to date with the local forecast across the lower 48. Alrighty, and also I want to thank all my subscribers I got so far. Thank you for supporting my channel. I want to thank everybody for watching my channel from wherever you live at. Thank you for watching it. I hope I can consider one day wanting somebody to eventually hit that subscribe button at the bottom of my page. Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about the satellite loop across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at the Columbia National Weather Service radar. We're going to look at the watches and warning map. We're going to take a look at the radar for the lower 48 as a whole nation. And also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center for late next week, mid to late next week, as we do have some severe weather on the table extending from portion of the south and into the south portion of the southeast, and also all the way up into the Ohio River Valley. So you want to stick around and watch the whole video, so that way you can stay up to date with what I'm expecting from this system coming in next. Okay, let's dive on into the forecast now. We're looking at this system here. This is that little upper level low spinning over Georgia and South Carolina. The main low is up here over eastern North Carolina. That will continue to lift off to the northeast. This little upper level low will continue to lift off to the northeast as well. Expect scattered showers across the area this afternoon. More snow and freezing rain possible along the mountain chain again today. Mainly in the higher elevation, but the lower elevation you should get a little bit of snow and freezing rain as well. If you're in South Carolina, Piedmont of North Carolina, the foothills of North Carolina, look like it's going to be mainly a rain event, but cannot rule out a sleet pellet or maybe a snowflake or two possible in that region. But if you live in the Midlands of South Carolina, all to the coastal plains, low country, also in eastern, central and eastern North Carolina, only thing I'm expecting is just a few showers, cold rain showers. They could be a little bit of grupple or maybe a sleet pellet or two. But other than that, I'm expecting just mainly a cold rain. Okay. As you can see, we got another system off the California coast that will move in. That will produce rain and mixed precipitation and snow over Arizona. We have another storm system coming in from the out of Canada. Will drop southeast and affect the northwestern portion of the United States. And we have several little systems going across southern Canada as well. We've got another little system right here in the middle of the country that's producing some wintry precipitation as well, but not much. It's just a little scattered activity. Okay, here we go for us here in South Carolina. Here's a look at our radar view. Here's that little pinwheel storm system pinwheeling over the central Savannah River area. That will continue to lift off to the northeast. This is what's producing some scattered showers, numerous to scattered showers across the area. Expect maybe another quarter of an inch of rainfall, quarter to a half inch of rain out of this little pocket of precipitation as it continues to lift out to the northeast. Like I said, can I rule out a few little pellets of sleet or maybe a few little grupple pellets, but other than that, it should be just a cold rain. Okay, now let's take a look at the watches and warning map across the lower 48. It's pretty quiet across the United States. Here's that little winter weather advisory for West Virginia, portion of Kentucky. Winter storm warning for the mountains of western North Carolina. River flood warnings. A few river flood warnings across South Carolina, also across Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana. We have wind advisories for a portion of Florida. High wind watches and warnings across New Mexico, Also California, we have a winter storm watch in effect for a system that I showed you on the satellite loop that will continue to move in. It should produce some mixed precipitation, some snow, ice, and freezing rain maybe, and rain along coastal areas. And also we have a few little pockets of winter storm watches over Montana, also in northern Wyoming. Okay, now here's a look at the lower 48 radar across the nation. There's that little storm system here that's producing the winter weather, rain along coastal areas across South Carolina as well. A little pocket, there's that little system I showed on the satellite loop over around Colorado and Kansas and Nebraska area. Little pockets of precipitation there, a little bit over southwest Texas and southern Texas. Also over here in Southern California, that's that little swirl you see on the satellite satellite loop there, right there. And there's that little system coming into Washington State over in the northwestern portion of the United States. Pretty much the rest of the nation looks pretty quiet. Northeast looks pretty quiet as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center time. Here's a look at day 4. We have a 15% chance of severe weather from northeast Texas through Arkansas, western Tennessee, northwest Mississippi, and northern Louisiana. And if you're in the 15% area, this includes the cities of Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Plateau, Texas. Alright, and have it go into day 5. As you can see, it stretches from the Ohio River Valley through all the way down into the deep south and portion of the southeast. Like I said, portion of Louisiana, all of Alabama, portion of western Georgia, much of Mississippi, much of Tennessee, Kentucky, portions of most of Ohio, and a little southeastern corner of Illinois. If you're in the 15% area, this includes Columbus, Ohio, Nashville, Tennessee, Columbus, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. Okay, so this is where the severe weather outbreak will begin, over here on day 4, and this over here will be day 5. Alrighty, well, we will have more on this here, see if this continues to move east. I believe it will. But just right now, I'm just going to leave it at that for now. I will continue to watch this and see. I hope everybody has a great Sunday. And like I said, if you like my weather content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that thing. Let's get these numbers climbing once again. We're doing good so far. Let's get these numbers rolling. I want to see them things rolling. Rolling like a wheel on a car. Keep them things rolling. Keep them moving. Okay. Well, I hope everybody has a great Sunday, and we will catch you back on the next one.